Applying for an Edge ID under the ECR Protocol. If you've chosen direct credit, here's what you need to know. Direct credit requires manual payment processing, so following the correct steps is crucial. Step 1. Submit the ECR Protocol form. ASIC agent submits the Edge ID application and selects direct credit as the payment method. Step 2. Receive payment instructions from ASIC. ASIC provides a payment reference number and bank details for the transfer. Step 3. Make the bank transfer. The agent must manually send the payment via EFT or BPAY, ensuring the correct reference is included. Step 4. ASIC matches payment with the application. ASIC manually verifies the payment against the submitted application. Step 5. Processing and confirmation. If all details are correct, ASIC processes the application. Errors like missing references can cause delays. To avoid delays, ensure you use the correct reference number provided by ASIC. Make the payment promptly after submission. Double-check bank details before transferring funds. Need assistance with your ECR Protocol applications? Company Changes is here to help. Visit www.companychanges.com.